Amara, who touched my food?
Sister, I just dished a little so that I can eat. You know I'm taking drugs.
Amara, I am aware that you're on drugs. I am aware. But touching my food is a huge disrespect now. It is disrespectful of you to touch your elder sister's food. You know I don't like anyone touching my food. Why didn't you go to the pot to dish yours?
I'm sorry. I was just very hungry.
I don't like this. I don't like this. Since you're taking drugs, Kukuma, finish it.
Hey.
Not to worry, I will go hungry. Finish it.
I'm sorry.
You're
now.
pregnant. Your condition, I know your condition. So finish it. I will go hungry.
Hey. Sister. Mr. Biko.
Come, it's coming. It's coming. Ah!
What is coming? What is it now? Would I sleep for you?
Ah!
Eh?
Mama, it's coming. It's coming.
What is coming?
Ah! Auntie Uju! Ah!
Amara, what is it?
Mama, I'm in labor. Please help me.
You are in labor? Hey.
Ah!
And what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do by this time of the night? What do you want me to do, Amara? Eh?
Mama, please rub my back.
Amara, what do you want me to do? Had it been you are married, your husband would have taken you to the hospital. What do you want? Do I have any car here? Or should I back you to the hospital? Eh? It's okay.
Mama, please. Mama, just rub my back. My back is
the rub back.
Auntie Uju!
Shut up! Hey, leave me alone. Leave me. Mama, you see, sit down. Just sit down. Sit down. Just sit down. Shut your mouth up so that in the morning you can go to the hospital. You will go to any hospital of your choice. Leave me alone. This is what you brought upon yourself. You brought this upon yourself, Amara. Eh? I said take me to the hospital. Leave me. Sit down. I said you should sit down. Sit down first.
What are you doing alone by this time of the night?
I need to go to the hospital. I'm in labor.
Do you know that your life is in danger?
Please don't kill me. Please.
Alright, come, follow me. And don't look back.
Yes, sir.
Sisters here tried. She vowed to destroy me. Why? I can't believe this is happening to me. I am now object of laughter.
Has he eaten?
Yes, I fed him about 5 minutes ago.
Have you checked his diapers? It could be wet and causing him discomfort. Let me have him. Oh, my baby. Oh, sorry, baby. I'm sorry, my baby.
What am I saying? So you did not succeed in killing him in my womb. You want to kill him physical. Let me have my son. Let me have my son. And as for you, Favor, how many times have I warned you not to allow strangers touch my son?
She was just trying to help.
May you never find help in your time of trouble. May your whole wretched family never find help. Listen to me, Favor. If you ever try this again, the next time this repeats itself, I will report you to the police station for conspiring with an enemy to kill my lovely son.
Why on earth would I kill your son? My own blood! Why on earth would I do that?
Because he's a heir to Tony's words. And because you can never have a child of your own. So it's enough reason to kill my lovely son. Sorry. Favor. Wash off all those evil hands. Wash them off him. Pour anointing oil from his head to his toe. Oh yeah, go.
My sister's hatred is
Madam Pepper.
Why the sudden change of plan? Who do you know in the city that you want to go?
You don't have to bother yourself. I told you, you don't have to bother yourself. Everything, my expenses, arrangement for me to go to the city has been settled. It has been paid. So you don't have to worry yourself.
So when are you coming back?
Coming back. You're coming back here. I'm not coming back here. I'm moving to the city, like going there to base. And, like base in the city. Permanent base.
So city boy now?
Yes, under city boy things. So coming back here is to just see you village people. See you people, know how you are doing, dash you people some money, do 1 or 2 pasmaga, and go back to the city. Hey.
So what happened to your shop now?
My shop? That is why I called you. You are my friend, and you have been a loyal friend. You have been an obedient friend. So I want to make you useful. That's why I called you. Because I want to give you my shop. My machine, tire, even old one, tubeless.
You're not serious.
Everything.
You want to give me this shop?
Bam.
It's a lie.
I'm giving it to
you. Are joking. You are joking. You want to give me body your machine.
Joking now.
It's a lie. You are joking.
How can I joke with something like this? I'm giving you you have learned this thing from me. So I said, there's nobody that can take it. If not you. See, let me tell you, I want to help you. When a friend is obedient, make him useful.
You are serious.
So that you will stop us gallivanting in the village, following married women. So you'll be useful to yourself. So that's why I want to give you this thing. So that you will be happy, be useful. Do you understand? So the machine, everything
belongs to me now.
The shop. I will just teach you how to start the machine.
You are a good friend, Dubisi. Thank you very much. God will bless you. Whatever you're going to do in the city, whether you're going there to thief or you want to go and carry money, God will bless your handwork there.
What can a just man do?
See, my mother will be so happy. This is the best news I've ever heard since today.
You know that your mother will know that you are now useful.
Thank you. So when are you leaving? Tomorrow morning?
Una.
Don't worry.
I've called Clifford to come and take
Why will you call Clifford while I'm here? I will take my mother's motorcycle to the park. Which of the park are you going to?
Park and out to the city.
Is it
in the morning now? Come, let me teach you how to. Because you don't any Do you understand? So the machine, if you want to start it, I don't any This is a machine now. Before you start it, you knock it 1, bam, bam, 2 times.
Bam, bam, bam.
Yes. So that when you want to draw it, you draw it gently. If you draw it speed, so and awake. Tap it 1, 2. Bam, bam. You draw it. If you draw it without knocking it, I don't want people to say that the BC has used you for one ritual and go to the city and become rich.
No, don't worry.
Knock it 3 times.
If you tell me to push it, I will push it. So far, this thing start. Okay, that's like this. Well, you said don't use force now.
No, force. After knocking it. Because when you can hope your cream and even hope your some customer have your rush and nothing, then I bambo. You don't have a
My sister's hatred is getting worse day by day. I don't know what to do. Lord, please come to my aid.
you're still crying. I'm sorry.
Words. She said hurtful things to me. Her words were as sharp as knives. I died 1,000 times. How could she be this mean to me? How? And why?
She's just a little girl.
Little? You call her little? You call her a little girl? She is a full-blown mother. She has a child, for God's sakes. She's an adult. Spare me that bullshit of a little girl.
I'm sorry. Okay, how about we go somewhere? Anywhere you like.
I'm not in that mood, please. I'm not in the mood.
Well, that will help lighten our mood, okay? Let's go to your favorite place. Besides, it's wrong turning a gentleman like me down. Can we go to your favorite place?
Okay.
Sisters hatred is getting worse day by day. I don't know what to do. Lord, please come to my aid.
7 p.m. Look your best.
It's getting worse day by day. I don't know what to do. Lord, please come to my aid. I'm in sorrow. Lord, please come to my aid. My life is shambles. Lord, please come to my aid. I'm crying day and night. I don't know what to do. Lord, please come to my aid. I'm in sorrow. Lord, please come to my aid. My life is shambles. Lord, please come to my aid. I am crying.
You returned from work. Instead of you to come see your son and I, you shamelessly decided to go spend some good time with your barren concubine. Tony!
I don't want to get any further complaint about you in this house. I'm getting sick and tired of it. I try my best to provide for both of you individually.
Oh! So, she ran to you. She shamelessly reported the murder of your son to you. And you're here saying all this rubbish. Aye!
If not for anything, respect the fact that she is your elder sister.
Oh, please! Let us sit at my foot. And as for you, what moral decency do you have to preach to me, you bloody rapist? What kind of a husband are you? Are you cursed? I am so disappointed at you. You disgust me.
No one is indispensable. Be reasonable.
Allow the sleeping dog to lie. This anger goes spoil something for you. To err is human, to forgive is divine. Let's bygone be bygone. This is not matter of do or die affair. One day more, think about future. Consider what about.
You haven't eaten your food.
No.
Are you going out again?
Uh-huh.
You just got back from work.
That I know.
Your food is going to get cold.
I'm eating out.
Honey, you know, since we got married, you haven't really taken me out. Can I come with you, please?
I have a date with Ujuma.
You really do not know how much this means to me. I had thought you'd forgotten all about me.
Babe, you've said this more than 10 times. You deserve everything you're getting from me. You are all I've ever wished for. You know that.
Thank you. So, shall we?
Except you want us to go back inside.
I know you would never say no. Let's go!
Don't force marriage, you consider well. What about love? Are you sure there is love? What about peace of mind? Check it off now. Check it off now. To be my don't force marriage, you consider well. What about love? Are you sure there is love? What about peace of mind? Check it off now. Check it off now. To be my don't force marriage, you consider well.
Still awake.
Tony, how am I supposed to sleep when my dear husband is out there with another woman?
She's not just another woman. She's your sister.
Your second wife. You don't even care how this makes me feel. You've always preferred her to me. Am I not beautiful enough? What does you have that I do not have? Why do you hate me?
I do not hate you.
It looks like you do. If my dear husband would be with me and not act like a man.
It's okay, stop crying.
Tony, I am a woman. Sometimes I want to be with my husband. And all of this does not even bother you. You do not even care. This is so unfair, Tony. You forcefully took my virginity away. You ruined my life. I'm still the same woman that has a child for you. I went out of my way to get married so you can have custody of your son. What else do you want me to do? Kill myself?
Okay. It's okay, man. I do not hate you. Huh? It's okay. Huh? Come on.
morning, big sis. You look so beautiful today. I had the best night of my life.
What are you talking about?
Never mind. Just a matter of time, you will understand. Big sis. Hello?
And what was Amara talking about?
I don't know. I just came out now.
Something about last night being the... Never mind.
Whatever thing she says, babe, I've told you times without number to stop listening to Amara. She will not stop to use any opportunity to get to you.
You're right. It's okay.
Amara is your sister. Learn to overlook her flaws. For your mental health and peace of mind, just let it go. Whatever she says, whatever she does, don't let it get to you. Okay?
She's your sister, have pity on her. Let her tears touch your heart. Show her respect, you embrace love. Let's bygone be bygone, my sister. What we are talking about is true love. You can't force a hustle to drink water. Are you sure there is love?
Is this where Ndubisi will stay?
Of course.
Ndubisi, welcome to Big City.
This is your new apartment.
This is Big City. Huh?
Trust me, it costs a little too much to get this house and you will love the interior.
I love the interior.
Let's go in.
I love the interior. Neighbors, when I went done, let me greet neighbors now so that they will know that their neighbor is here. Neighbor Ndubisi is here. Hey, let's go inside.
You will love it.
I love the interior. The interior is the best. Yeah.
Okay.
Should I go inside?
Go in.
Hey.
Ndubisi, you're just a clown.
Hey. Anom Nanga. Hey.
You haven't seen anything. You should see the bathroom of this house.
Neighbors, bye. I should come with my
Come
shoe.
in.
Hey.
It's your house.
Can I go try my shoe?
Ndubisi.
Ndubisi, welcome to City.
You are a city.
Eh? Amara, thank you so much. This is too much. Thank you. Hey, wow.
Ndubisi, you don't have to thank me. I know that if you were in my shoe, you would do the same, or even more. I cannot forget what you did for Naso and I. Even when my family abandoned us, you did so much.
That one is in the past now. It has passed. Eh? I know that renting of this apartment and furnishing it will cost fortune. It's so much money.
Of course, it cost a lot.
Hey!
But trust me, it's under my control.
Indeed. This is lovely. In fact, I love you.
I know. Andrew.
Huh?
You have to promise me something.
Anything. Anything. Just say it. Anything for you. Just say it. I will do it straight up.
Be serious.
Undo. Promise me that you will not make me regret all the things that I have in mind for the both of us. The things that I've done and the things that I'm yet to do.
I promise.
Do not make me regret any of them.
I will not. I will not. I promise you.
Then watch me spoil you silly.
Hey! And I will love you like a silly bugger. Eh? Where is the bedroom, please?
That's the bedroom.
Eh? That's the bedroom. Hope is a bouncing bed.
It is bouncing.
Hey! Madam.
Let's go.
You know?
Let's go.
Where did you say your mother went to by this time of the night?
She left the house since morning, ma.
Since morning?
Yes, ma.
This is serious.
Mama, okay, I just finished vegetable soup. Should I bring it? Since you said you can't eat the one I had offered you.
You asked me before, right? And I said no. So what is it? What do you want?
Mama, this one is vegetable soup.
Do you want to poison me?
No, ma.
So what is your problem? I am not hungry. If I'm hungry, I know my way to the kitchen. Besides, this is my house. Get out!
Mama?
Anthony.
Is
Amara with you?
No. Okay. Thank you. You sure? Well, I heard your voice. What's the problem?
You mean Amara is not with you?
She's not home. Favor.
She's not at home, sir. She left the house since morning, sir.
Went out to where?
Ask her. Ask this witch. Anthony, ask her. For your information.
Please, if you want to.
If anything happens to that girl, I will not forgive any of you. Trust me. I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
If you want to make your point, you just say it without calling anyone names.
She's a witch.
Please stop.
Ujunwa is a witch.
Let me call her and know where she is.
Oh my God. My husband.
Oh? Hello. Hello, baby. Thank God you called. I was robbed and kidnapped. Yes. I don't even know where I am. I don't know. I would just have to ask around. Okay. Okay, I will. Don't call me. I will do the calling. I have to go.
You did this time. Will of God, it's never the will of man. I thank God Almighty, cause God will not be man. If I go
50,000.
50,000. Did you bring her from heaven?
It's the man that rescued me and the others from kidnappers.
Please, where did you find her?
After Benin, inside the bush. She's even lucky that she was among those that were rescued.
Devil is a liar. Anthony, please pay him the money. Biko.
The thing is, I don't have cash. Okay, I'll have to make transfers. So you call your account number.
Okay, no problem.
Call your account number.
000.
Which bank?
Sterling Bank.
Okay.
555.
Anthony, I'm so disappointed in you. Eh? Honestly, if your father were to be alive, he would have been so displeased with you. Who did not bring you up this way? Eh?
Mama, how is this my fault now?
Of course, this is your fault. Get a car.
Thank you. Please take good care of her.
Eh? How do you expect your wife and your son to keep jumping from one taxi to another? Come on now.
But she doesn't even know how to drive.
Then teach her how to drive. It's not a big deal.
I need work
This is your wife, Tony, we're talking about here. Sorry, you drink water. I need water. I can't follow.
Tony, I need water.
What about love? And you sure there is love? What about peace of mind? Check it off my. Take it well. To be my head. Don't force marriage, you consider well. What about love? And you sure there is love? What about peace of mind? Check it off my. Take it off my. To be my head. Don't force marriage, you consider well. What about love? And you sure?
Hello. Is anybody at home?
Hi. Good morning, sir. Good morning, handsome.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. We noticed there was light in this flat last night, and we were wondering if...
Sir, we are your next door neighbor.
Okay, you are living here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, you can call on us if you need anything. Yes, or you want to ask us any question.
In a area here?
Kind of.
Okay.
Yes, sorry, sir. Forgive our manners. We're just curious. We'll take our leave now. Have a great day.
Hey, sir, are you going to allow us to leave? Won't you invite us inside?
Oh, you want to come inside? Oh, you are welcome. Come in.
Thank you.
Let's go inside.
Thank you.
You this girl, you don't respect yourself. Eh? You don't know you're a woman, flaunting yourself.
He's handsome.
Hey. Sorry, people should not be angry. I was in the kitchen preparing delicacy.
Okay.
Mm.
Really?
Yes. You know, I'm a very good cook.
It smells so good.
Yes.
I would like to see. I hope you don't mind.
You want to see what I'm cooking? No, I don't mind. Come, let's go. Yes.
I'm coming.
Sir, hope she's not inconveniencing you.
No, I'm okay with it. You can even come and sit too.
No, I'm fine, sir.
Okay. All right.
Ma, this girl will never change. Huh.
I think you should go to see the doctor.
Oh, you're just malaria. Just get me malaria drugs, I'll be fine.
Look, I don't encourage self-medication. Just get up from there. Mama will take you to see the doctor.
Why, Mama? Why can't you take me yourself? But if it's Uju, you carry her to the hospital yourself, right? Because it's me, it has to be Mama.
Can you stop being dramatic? I have things doing at the office. If not, what's there? I'll call Mama. Make sure you go to the hospital. Bye.
Hello. Sleepy. Surprise. Yes.
What are you celebrating?
Nothing. I hope you've not had anything yet.
No, I'm still trying to fix it.
Good. I prepared this for both of us.
Hmm?
Mm-hmm. You think
both
you know?
of us?
Yes. You think you know how to cook, right? Wait until you test my meal.
You see, I don't think I like this idea. I don't think I like this idea.
Why?
I don't want to hurt your feelings. You're a nice person. If I am to choose, I will choose you. But I'm sorry, I can't.
Tell me, do you have a girlfriend?
Yes.
Do you want to marry her?
No. It's complicated. I cannot marry her, but she's... Oh...
What? Tell me, what is it? Come on, talk to me. Please.
Hmm? Hmm?
Doctor, is that the result of the test?
Yes, madam.
So, what is the outcome?
Congratulations. Yeah, you're 4 weeks pregnant.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
Doctor, are you sure about this?
Of course. Here's the result.
There is time for everything. Be careful in this life. Makonye marifena balawendu. A word is enough for a wise. Stop.
Pick this call.
I don't want to pick it.
This phone has been ringing. Pick the call.
It's my mom. I don't want to pick it. I know why she's calling me.
Listen, Tony, there might be emergency at home. Just speak and hear what she has to say. Please.
Mama. What? Really?
What is it?
She's pregnant again.
Pregnant who? Ujunwa?
Amara.
What goes up must come down. The deed is done. Will of God, man. It's never the will of man. I thank God Almighty, cause God do not be man. If men we are God, my situation would have been worst. Mana kenerem chimo, wonderful Alisa kenele mia. Kenerem chimo, wonderful Alisa kenele mia. No loka. They want my life to be useless. They call me source of names. My God has shown me mercy. He's a merciful God. Kenerem chimo, wonderful Alisa kenele mia. Kenerem chimo, wonderful Alisa kenele mia. No loka. I trust.
Mama, I hope you're not going to spoil her silly now that she's pregnant.
Allow me to spoil her. She deserves it. And you better make plans of her being comfort here. She needs to be comfortable in this house. I don't want her to worry about anything at all. Eh? She's carrying my baby.
Mama, please, don't even stress yourself. Your son does not love me. Tony here does not love me even for a minute. He has said it severally that he got married to me because of my son. So Biko, don't stress yourself over him.
Anthony, you mean you said that to her?
Mama, that was then. Like, I'm inside.
Yeah, Anthony. You're walking away. Anthony, your wife needs all the pampering. Come and resume your duty. Ozubo. Come on, kill him. Love but make her name.
Please hold my waist.
Bro, drop her waist. Hold on. This love but make her name. Mabulu carry her. Better. You deserve it, oh.
It's not a bed of roses. Every sweet thing's at times, so has bitterness at end. There is time for everything. Be careful in this life.
What is it? Why were you calling me repeatedly? What is it that can't wait?
and tell me that you do not have anything to do with Amara's pregnancy.
Why would you ask me such a thing? Amara is my wife. Why wouldn't I have anything to do with the pregnancy?
You're a liar. You're a liar. You told me you would never touch her, let alone sleep with her. Tony, you've been lying to me. Now start talking. What else have you been lying to me about? What else? You say you love me. Is that a lie as well?
Babe, can you stop being dramatic? This is something we need to talk and resolve.
I am now dramatic.
Look, what I'm trying to say is we just need to take it easy, okay? What has happened has happened. Amara is my wife. She's also your sister. Would you have preferred I get it from someone else? Besides, I am the only son of my parents. I need as much children as I can take care of. It's not as if you can give me that.
So, it is my fault now. It is my fault that I can't bear children.
Look, nothing has changed between us. It's still the same. Amara is just pregnant with my child. You are the one I love.
Oh, stop it! I do not want to hear that word from that shithole you call a mouth. I will never believe a single word from you again. You've betrayed me once. I will be the most stupid girl on earth to let you betray me again.
She vowed to destroy me. Why? I can't believe this is happening to me. I am not an object of laughter. You know, you can mirror.
Are you sure about what you just said?
I'm very sure about it.
You lie.
I can show you. I can show you.
Sure.
Should I show you?
Yes, it's sweet. Do you mind telling me about your girlfriend? You wanted to tell me about her.
Oh, there's nothing to tell you about her.
But I want to know.
You want to know? Why are you being so inquisitive? Are you a journalist that interview a politician?
I just want to know about my man.
There's nothing to know. See, we have done a lot of things. If I tell you now, you promise you are going to give me 10 kisses and 10 rands.
Tell me.
Will you?
I don't know. Just tell me.
The thing is, we have done so many things that we're not proud of. It's true that we care about each other. But we can't marry.
You mean you can't marry her?
You can't marry her.
Is she sick?
Oh. If I tell you, you do what you promise you will do.
Tell me now.
She's married.
What?
She's married.
Wait. Sleeping with married women. You're one bad modern fucker I know.
What about that side? Are you a celibate? Are you mad?
Be serious, please. What do you mean? I'm not mad. See, I want you to do away with her as soon as possible.
So if I do away with her, what happens to you?
Can you be serious? I mean it.
And oh yeah.
I should have listened to you. I should have listened to you, Annabelle.
What are you talking about?
Tony! Amara is pregnant again. And Tony is responsible.
He's his wife. What about it?
He lied to me. Tony told me that he does not touch her. He made me believe that they lived like cats and dogs in their room. And even when they lay next to each other, their bodies do not touch. He made me believe he disliked her.
Do they share the same bed?
Yes, they do. But that's because Amara always threatens she would live with her son. That's why Tony had to give in.
Come on, Uju. And you believed him. He told you all those lies and you believed him?
I trusted him.
He got her pregnant once. What makes you think he would not visit there again? What makes you think that?
I trusted him.
You should know better than trusting a man and a woman that shares the same bed. What were you thinking? Huh? What were you thinking? That his body is made of iron or what?
I want my own babies. I wish I could have my own children. My life is crumbling right in front of me.
It's okay, Uju.
I know.
It's okay, Biko. It's
Another
okay.
baby.
Stop being hard on yourself.
Amara is having another child.
Hey.
Oh God.
This is crazy. It's okay.
Oh God, why me?
You know, Ndubisi is very homely. I couldn't understand his humility until he told me about his childhood story. Babe, people are really suffering, I swear.
Uma, my friend. Uma, you're beginning to fall in love with this guy. Be careful. Don't say I don't warn you.
Be careful about what exactly?
Are you asking me? A full-grown man like that should have a serious girlfriend. And from the way you talk about him, girl, that guy is taken.
Well, yes, he's in a relationship, but there is nothing serious between them. Trust me.
Men are used to that line. Yes, they are used to that line. They'll tell you, she's just my friend, there's nothing going on between us. Before you know it.
I believe him. He said that she's married. Yes, that's what he said, that she's married. So,
no,
I have...
Hold it right there. No, just wait. Ndubisi is dating a married woman?
No, not like she's the one throwing herself on him. But Ndubisi promised to dump her soon.
What are you even saying? Are you my friend?
Can you even listen to yourself? Girl, you're too big to be deceived. What are you even saying? See, you have to tread carefully. Don't say I don't warn you. What are you even saying?
No, don't say that. Please do not deceive me.
I know what I'm saying. See, you have to tread carefully. Okay?
I trust in the business. You just have to hear him talk. He's serious. He's not like every other man out there. Trust me. He's different.
Ma, do not be deceived. I know what I'm telling you.
Okay.
Yeah, I will be here now when you run to me and tell me, he broke my heart. I thought he's a nice man. I thought he's different. I'll be here. I'll be waiting for you. Man, you are trusting man.
I don't know why you hate men. What's the problem?
You are trusting man. Man, they will stain your whites.
Mama. Oh. No. Sit down.
You wanted to see me?
It seems you are going out.
I have an important place to rush to, so what is it?
My daughter, it's about my business.
What business? The last time I remembered, you are a village farmer.
Yes, but I also sell palm oil. I want to expand my business. I want to start distributing it to the north and some part of the east. Yes.
Good for you. So how do I come in here?
My daughter, it's about money. I need money to buy gallons, palm fruits, and the machine for milling.
Mama, do I look like a bank? I don't understand. Am I beginning to look like a bank? If you need money, go to the Bank of Industry or those local contribution in the village. Go there and beg them to give you loan now. Mama, my husband and I do not have money for people like you. We're investing on a project for the future of our children.
Children, are you expecting?
Yes. Mama, if you're hungry, tell Favor to give you food so they don't say I have starved you in my house. I have to go, Mama.
Hey! Oh, no.
Adabu, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
No.
Mama, what did you just call her? Ada? Mama, I am your Ada, and I wouldn't let you call her Ada in my presence. That's disrespectful. That is my right, and I won't let anyone take it from me.
Keep holding on to this title, because that's the only thing you will ever have for the rest of your life. Ada. How beautiful.
Did you just talk to me?
And if I speak to you, what will you do, Uju?
Leave me, Mama! Uju, oh my God! Uju, what is this? Oh my God!
She brushed my stomach!
Mama,
Mama, I'm sorry. I'm dying.